Hi guys, and welcome to the first installment of Little Man Project's JavaScript in Storyline series. My name is Jamie, I'm a developer here at Little Man Project, and in this series of small videos, I'm going to be covering some of the things you can do in Storyline 360 using JavaScript. We're going to kick off the series with a small video on how to add a confetti effect to your Storyline project. So, let's jump straight into it. To get this effect, we're going to be using a JavaScript library called Canvas Confetti. This effect has been created by a GitHub user by the name of CatDad, and you can find a link to this in the video description. Scroll down the page and find the effect that you like. For the sake of this demonstration, I'm going to use the fireworks effect. Do this by copying the code under the effect that you want. Back in Storyline, we'll need to add a trigger that executes JavaScript. In our example, as this is a quiz question, we're going to run this at the start of the correct layers timeline. Paste the code into the box and press OK. Before we can run this code, we need to reference the Canvas Confetti library. To do this, first publish your Storyline file. Click Open and open the story.html file with a text editor such as Notepad. Go back to the Canvas Confetti website and click the GitHub icon. Scroll down the page and copy the script tag as shown here. Go back to your code and paste the tag just before the closing head tag. When you're finished, save and close the text file, go back to Storyline and view your project. Editing the HTML code is the preferred way to reference a script, but it means that you'll need to do this every time you publish your Storyline file, and this can get quite annoying. So here's an alternative method that you can use to get around this. We're going to add a trigger that executes JavaScript when the timeline starts for our slide. Then we'll add the code that will dynamically append the script tag that we copied earlier. You can find a link to this code in the video description. Now when we publish and view our course, you can see the confetti working as before without the need to edit the HTML file. And this is just one of the many effects you can add to your Storyline project. There are tons of other free resources online. Check out some sites like fireworks.js.org and particles.js to see what else is possible with JavaScript. Thanks for watching, I hope you found this helpful. If you've enjoyed the video, feel free to check out our blog for more Storyline tips and tricks, and be sure to follow us on social media. Links to those can be found in the video description.